Did you enjoy that?
All right, thank you so much for set the biada oni edi kasubom patabom na yedin sempano na Asia wo me de Derek Saint Kizito hi GH Live Studios agudi kwan so and I don't nam kwantimpon highway street no so and I shit that they died in 70 nyina no ebre wo no yama wanya the episode of Asante Kotoko last training on my ewo bia your friend say Kumasi. In fact, this is the first ever time I used the new training picture. What I could judge. And you say previous days, no money, or your training, AstroTech, so inside Kumasi. But see, there, last training, next, so much the blessing of the Dakot land. Now, Moja, Dakot Judge, Shano, no Mayo, and the Akos. Sanso, and the amount and TSA, Bobu Kwara France, Kwara United, woman so a training, and Ranopa, and area, we about 8 a.m. Nigeria time. Which is so many Ghana 1 hour into Ghana best 7 a.m. And at 2 p.m. That is 1 p.m. Ghana time. Almost training. And then one day training. Now Omotu Apako PM LBI a friend say Abiokuta. That is what I know. And then governor Edema Nigeria friends of Kwara State, Ilorin, or say or the Overland Airways Airboa now omodi a free group on Makako PM. LBI, a friend say that is a Biokuta. Or the flight in Ekwa, two say, 250 cra by 3:35, into approximately 1 hour 30 minutes air. Now, more fans now air quantity the 4 hours 38 minutes drive. That is 267 kilometers drive. And on the road you see the Fapute road. Now see Isaing road. Now a Biokuta Ibora illa na remu at the mainland. And also air kakra offer for a Nigeria near Papa Nunti or Madama or my boy Nigeria and Koma and also air kakra at the free so Eddie Ama. On this episode, you're the two and him said that is Kotoko anopay ombitu moto omutu anopay the free Ghana Eddie Akako PM omuye road trip and you and omudi free that is Andre you omudi free Kumasi BPMO. LBI a friend say Accra Jomo Twaso na the next available flight no omde akwa PM na bibia to me akoso kama no the 8 to Janti no na ofri Abiokuta that is Lagos to Abiokuta approximately an hour and a half drive I know see the 8 to Jana is a hodie a boom a ben pa now on this episode my main fan someone who draw into him coach Edema Nigeria side Tunde Sani tactically, I share said any other any Union Century or the team to Nigeria now all my information there or they tree and him HMA or by want to say there a bia Kotoko ya Medford no ISB muntias na making ye but I dream say a Medford na ISB enti obe flow more ewo animu na bibia timi akoso enti obe draw one man the free Medford ho na bibia timi akoso de ama no we the yetete wa fa no say o nzenkrofo e mfimfo emre but inti Kotoko so me de say o mani abre na yese plans ni ade etaway na ofakwesi apia so de no ho agim na oboa ama bibia timi akoso nti eno the ekoso e wo ma de mounti obe draw one man the free mfimfo na wa Aule John Mark Shishe guy now she 18 shirted jersey no akona ni more way at sama minia abiodum or me yonko abiodum me trick is kwan so or dey too many say no credit say no credit waka no na ye kanti dey a ye hu say nsesan kakra be ba won finfin on Nigeria team Kwara United no na sen company Plateau United boy nra midweek league na so NFF no I postpone the game no the ama full grips enko Kotoko game no ho a the airba yes one player obetimi start say for Nigeria side here Isagata almost say said the surprisingly or start here na one Asante Kotoko na man for say so we dey be every bench na eba but ensa anya wan so obesa timi start bi Isagata the yetete na bibia timi akoso mu ena one winger Kingsley Obiora one also omoba Ghana no one started by Kingsley Obiora number 8 GC or so yeah Facha no 7 GC yeah Kingsley Obiora or also the likelihood that we will be free bench number no best high. And no by the way, the free mu to ɛsɛ nkɔfo nso yɛwɔ ɔmati kɔ kakra na yɛde nsɛm ahodoɔ bi akɔ so now yɛntoa so nyɛ adwuma wei ɛmfa ma wo tie ne yie ɛma me pa yɛnyɛ adwuma wei ɛmfa ma wo ba yɛbɛba na ɛnya exclusive yɛkɔ Nigeria man mu na ahanom ekuro kakraka yɛda hɔ nyinaa kuro wei ɛnea the drone picture of this state ahanom ɛna game a yɛfrɛ ne sɛ Asante Kotoko ɛne Kwara United game no ɛbɛtɔ dwa. This is the drone picture of Ikuro no. Nti Ikuro na yebebobo wo so no. Kwara, United omo mo no mu krum. Omo ba Biokuta. Nti Ikuro no omo ba so no mo ne Kotoko abihia se de ya mo no kumase ne yekobo no nkran no. Wo mo nso ba bi ombobo no enie. Me ba be wura Ikuro no na ma digest Ikuro no. Na wo hu ba bi a wo favorite Kotoko no. Aboa Kotoko nkunimdi aboa no. Favorite porcupine ba bi a wakwa akoduro na bibia timi akoso nti kuro no na wo hwe no kuro no enie hwe ne yie kakra ma me na yenkoso yekọ yanim kakra yenhwe tobo ne follow proceedings ama me yie pa ukọ wanim kakra ma yenya yi kakra was ni Ogun State nti picture na mdi nka ma na matwa akoto nifa no wo me side ha Ogun State na nka say Ogun State Kwara United Kwara State amubisu Ilorin. But the nearest state a Ben Womana Stadium near allowed any Ogun State into Ogun State and then the weekend the game no southwestern Nigeria na afe 1976 February 3rd and womo enacted say any state Abeokuta a yebebo born no and yomo capital na predominantly said the casino actually they are two no Yoruba for na doors Yoruba for and a door so corona yakwa papa and not a to Ghana agricultural and an industrial base and a border Benin and yet Benin City way Benin Republic of Benin Cotonou omuni omune ben to the west na nickname omodiama crony gateway state and no a to ja ewo munti sa state and a wasante masante otumfo asante Kotoko nyina no yeko ne akwakodi nkunim de aba yegusu a yede wura kronum ne yede akodura stadium ho na wahum niema se de beko se de maka na southwestern Nigeria I share border with Republic of Benin to the west capital ya Abeokuta state no creating date and as a creation date no ene da ho no na mamo economy demographic purposes ene no so ho no Yoruba for na do so and Islam and Christianity so a dominant region honoma Yoruba land Ogun State and a game no yade koboso na PPITimi awien konimdie so ede ama in a tier4 no na uhwemu a nkrobi ben Abeokuta na agidin ni nyina so Ogun State obi na apart from Abeokuta no ya capital na historic center edema Olumo Rock Tourist Center no me pacho Ibadan so Ogun State obi Ibadan and also Ogun State and Ijebu Ode Ijebu Ode and also Hobi and no air there no a notable tourist attraction place Olumo Rock and no air kakra toja mti me da se se ma mu hu kuro na Kotoko akobo ball so no na enipa okuro de nipa ewo kurom ho pa enya asem kuma kura di power so na eno de enye population census na ebe nti de no besi ho na yakwa anim kakra approximately 4 million nkofo na ti kurom ho governor odi kuro ni so ye friend Adedapo Oluseun Abiodun mutwa ni tia friend His Excellency Dapo Abiodun Adedapo Obiodun Oluseun and ono na governor edema Ogun State be Kotoko any Kwara United kwakobono no a businessman and also a politician na ono and since 2019 APC party na no ni omaye adwuma 2019 and no governor ede ama Ogun State no so adisua kakra wote se Kotoko di nkunima na ese ya kankrofo eba na agua and no so ya kakra ede tudwa ama in a game baso na yesiamu ade na yede mu information na Ediama. Now, this is the stadium, MKO Abiola Sports Arena. MKO Abiola Sports Arena. And the Yakobo Bono. Now, we work as Emini HSA. Emno HMO shoot. Kane HSA. Kashimawo. Kano Kashimawo. Ha. MKO. We na hano akwani tramfa unama. We na di oni bakra Olawale. Papa na nkasa ye oni ba na mahu ye. Ha. MKO Abiola Stadium. Na papa yi ne din ankasa de Moshood Kashimawo Olawale Abiola. Papa yi yetwa ne tia friend MKO Abiola. No a businessman. You can know ya not just with free. No a businessman. Magnet kese pa. No say a publisher. No a politician. And now ye honorary supreme military commander of Oyo Empire. No sound say aristocrat. Edema Eba clan. Busianku be from Eba. No a aristocrat. Edema womo. Na oye papa bia. In fact, no say kuta British passport. Ena ene say kuta latade nso. O free mu no age 60. Na ebi susu say abrofu bi na bestra no ena mu di teen ni teen omo 7 no mo di ade egu mu ma no but wi achi no mo ka say na o wakoma problems eno e de etodwa ewo mu na papa yi de no a business tycoon ni din ena eda so a ye de tudwa ama enetifo na wahu sa ni din no wotia MKO no eye Moshood Kashimawo Olawale Abiola ono ni din then that stadium na Sante Kotoko ye kwa akobo game kasi ewo so efa nipa 10,000 people capacity stadium ena efa yanku ani mai producer Brian and Kendrick mo wo so ne yanku ani enti hwe me pa cho eni yes stadium no na ntwea so bi eni e kira de selling clean na chiba ko ena yitwama no ena na chiba ko road enso eda akiri ba bi nso mfuturo ho ubehu hwene ye mame aha de nyanyanko mfuturo no ho stadium no na chiba ko ena akotwa ede ama no na currently football matches ekoso a home grounds ede ma Gateway FC no besi ewa Biokuta ho makasa Biokuta no mfre no Gateway State nti team e no Gateway ena omode ama ena Biokuta Stormers Sporting Club two teams in isi akan ewa ha Abiokuta Stormers Sporting Club na a capacity of 10,000 capacity stadium MKO Abiola Stadium no na yanku enim tete won na grass ene nei womo yo ya abeda na sente eno kakra tudwa papa ya muhuni ye fa no Adire Kampala okuta Uganda din Adire Kampala eno no so asi ni market wo chonti Ghana fa mo beko mbehu so of Adire ni market ewo ho Abiola Stadium wo kuto ho na akire ufa kuto ho na akọ anim kakra of Adire Kampala ni market ni otonton niam ahodo match day nyagoro otimi de muffler any easy so wa print Kotoko colors a wo bitwa of the naira eba be sisika so na bibia timi akoso a eno stadium no a na mbuso ado koto kakra na wo hu se de niam esi eko ewo mu no now yanku anim na yamfa de aka no NPO so na ehu say yes niam ewa ade Brian and Kendrick mo so niam ko okay ko anim alright anyway ohwe picture we nso a nipa tena stadium honi na igwadifo nso so no bread ena mu kama yes eno no eno ena yedema ye netiefo ewo mu no hwebi mame ena eko na eba now sa stadium we enkomo kakra ewo ho ne se eya Nigeria pitch no so na mdo array omoye tournament bi a omo friend ne se Gateway tournament like omoye te state ni nyina obia de ni team ba festival kese pa na obia ba enti omoye ye no na stadium na e basa e na governor Abiodu edi sika ruam no renovate ye e na nam so ama stadium edrum pompon so etisi enti enie enye stadium kese sa na emom eye stadium a bibia bi ho wo mo kra sa wo okwakire ho a omo ba bi e bo volley baby aye tennis any ade nyina e wo kire me de beto amoahwe ba pitch ni nie hwe pitch ni ye mame on the pitch and da ho no nti yeko na wohu the other grounds yes stadium no the area view and I video de mount the area view and I the air mount said the mechanic and chamber being foot through quite down and also and airport neighbor and the Titan track and also na hano bra almost shots yes no more yo almost air renovation governor this room a couple of years ago no and I was a botonia this year no and the yakofa at the show amu now me can be faster almost swimming pool or more tennis court or more BBA a way tree omo Naija and also a tragua kakra ewo mono nti hanom na asante kwa akodi nkunim de aba ha na asante Kotoko krobia mapoma metema asante Kotoko the Royal City Club ye kwa akodi nkunim aba stadium ni nchenchem kakra na metwa ama hwema tobo enroli na wo hwe no yes we know na omo ba be gateway tournament no me renove omo can say omo brand ho Titan track and just about yara the any the stadium ni but stands na it is oboase Lincoln the any bi sa na isitie hwene ye ma me pa ntimi do every stadium ho na wo hwe na haya nchemu wa na ekura na yakwa akobo na yedi nkunim ye ntena o mankrofo we nche ye da baby omo ye swimming pool no so mo ye na makotwitwa e di amount enye yes the stadium no in China no and baby omo ye tennis court no enye yeah offer bi nso na atwa mo apagya ne nsa na hey Nigeria and Ghana the offer for uncle anti and so I don't know yes nti bibia it's set enya ketua na the tie any set referee be the game no so nyame bo Friday umbeba be draw some dream na bibia akoso ye next episode the referees no edin any ade ni nyina eba betudwa e the amount kama na wenya ochefa e the film this is Abiokuta hanom and a game no babe baso this is Abiokuta this is Abiokuta and a game no babe tudwa kama na bibia tumi akoso ewo mu no Kotoko very rare offer Karim Zito offer Zito Kizito na make say offer na bibia aboko de offer me Judi obetumi ayo yero ho Abiokuta na da ho no okwa na ayero ho obai wabo matches maku dunsia of about 16 matches why are there ya nisa 16 matches no se meka ni ya kamia is say we win 10 and we draw 2 and we lose 4 of ayero ho na we my 17th match enye nkunimdie wada ma ba ye enye nkrofo die ni bia wa ma MTN FA Cup wada ma wa ma President Cup wada ma wa ma Toyota Cup of wa ma Champion of Champions of for P so mai na me qualification wo Kwara for yinsem na unia na coach Kwara no okasa bebre crash na your friend say no friend say Tundi Sani kasa na ye more nti eso utimi ko hye ne mai offer me show very well me show trade ampo nyankro pomba say refi na dom na doye ni nkunim dia botre no say offer fa di nkunim mai na kotokachitafo mo won tuhyire na bibia enwie peye na eniama ntimi nkoso Ghana Football Association delegation that is odi animu normal conso why poise for action or also our experience now the next episode yeah they will not become referee no na e ama but more complaining say Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium crash friend say sa kodie Michael Usuado ni show a oba abaye no anhwe yi a na wakako say pitch no ya bofo ankrase sa kodie personally afre no yes Michael Usuado personally sa kodie afre no say oh me nkonko ye bibia o pitch no so yes stand emeho nti mamo ya mu nhimo top priority wasakra Twitter X no so say top priority stage is nowhere close to the pitch nti rapaholic the homecoming no and then so to nti obede number 1 nya de obetena ho na wakosa ya pitch no nti obede so ye no Titan track no so kama bibia de nti atisafo mon konko support obede na oye number 1 na bibia ntimi enkoso kama no so kakra bi tuja amayete for me the Derrickson Kizito and now on this episode you do rap Biokuta that is the state of Ogun and I am who said the corona Kotoko koso the city and am I stadium no so ho adwuma e de ama kama kroje nti asante munkonkudin kunim krobia munkudin kunim Kotoko aboa no nko wo mo semetema no na yemfa kunim die mra me the Derrickson Kizito for more of this keep subscribing keep watching us koso adi echi na yemfa nkwani je krom na yemfa nsampa enso mo sports ne ye enye dede ye and then ntiatiamu bia ɛyɛ agudi ho nsɛm na agorɔ nso a yɛdie nso yɛbɛyɛ a yɛteateam sɛ deɛ a na anuanom bi no nyɛ wɔn deɛ no bia aha deɛ hwii brɛw na yɛde ato fam brɛw ɛde ama wo na biribiara kɔ so kamakama nti ɛna episode ɛbɛyɛ no ɛna yɛde wura mu kakra no ne summary no sd foɔ bɛka tɔfa no ɛna ɛkeka pictures no ɛreli ɛde ɛma wo nti bɔ so a na ɛbɔ ayi no so subscribe no so ma me na yɛnkɔ yɛnim kama. Thank you so much for watching. Obi Kizito sɛ wokɔ no a ma wo nwum no a ɛa na ha me o bɔma me na gɛ na ɔkasa wɔ mu na
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Oh, and yes, I see SUBM, DJ, see SUBM.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Yeah, that's it. So I hear too. Nah, yeah, they too fem bro. The amount you need the day on internet movie. Anti, and your glasses, and yeah, you have name of a chession. Do you see a near cash as I have grown video on 70? Subscribe now. I am for more episode of this. And your next episode, no, Kotoko, Kwara United. Today training Friday, no. Kotoko, and next Friday it's not likely it's gonna be training. Bibi sana, bombe stretch kakra. Na bibi because my Kwara United and you be general also. Now you're doing training details at the amount. Kama pa strategy to design the babira. Now on the office, Zito, so at the attack so you know, yet be shall come. Thank you so much for watching. Lady Derek Saint Kizito. Thank you so much.